Let's now talk about AWS Auto Scaling, an application scaling service to optimize costs and performance level. Amazon EC2 AWS Auto Scaling is a service that helps you optimize the performance of your applications while reducing infrastructure costs by easily and securely scaling multiple AWS resources. It allows you to maintain the right amount of EC2 instances to handle your application load. Auto-scaling monitors your applications and automatically adjusts capacity to maintain stable and predictable performance at the lowest possible cost. Let's consider an example of a website that sells t-shirts. The website is hosted on a web server running on Amazon EC2. The website is served from two EC2 instances for high availability reasons. And for load balancing, both these C2 instances are logged behind the load balancer. The website sees normal traffic during weekdays, Monday through Friday, and the average server utilization is around 60%. However, on weekends, Saturdays, and Sundays, the website sees a higher number of sales. CPU utilization peaks at 95%. If it touches 100%, there is a chance that traffic will drop, leading to loss of business. One way to handle the situation is manually add more EC2 instances to handle the increased load during weekends. While this may solve the problem, this approach has some disadvantages. Since it is a manual approach, it is prone to errors. Let's say we add two EC2 instances, and again the CPU peaks. We will have to manually add more EC2 instances. It's possible that after adding more EC2 instances, the incoming traffic will slow down and stay that way. And with this, we are now increasing our costs. There is a possibility that peak traffic will also occur during weekdays. So, we will have to continuously monitor CPU utilization to handle such situations. Therefore, EC2 Auto Scaling addresses this problem by automating the entire process of monitoring your EC2 instances and adding or removing them according to configured thresholds. Auto Scaling also registers newly added instances behind the existing load balancer. Auto Scaling also provides improved fault tolerance, better availability, and lower costs, and is a good choice for applications that use one or more scalable resources and experience varying load. It also allows you to specify the minimum, maximum, and desired capacity, which ensures that your cluster never goes below the minimum size or above the maximum size. Specifying the desired capacity ensures that your cluster has the necessary instances. Importantly, an auto-scaling group can contain EC2 instances in one or more availability zones within this same region, allowing you to leverage the security and reliability of the geographic redundancy of multiple availability zones in a region. When an availability zone becomes unhealthy or unavailable, auto-scaling is initiated with new instances in the unaffected availability zone. When the unhealthy availability zone returns to a healthy state, auto-scaling automatically redistributes the instances evenly across all designated availability zones. In other words, EC2 auto-scaling groups are regional concepts. They can span availability zones, but not AWS regions. So, with this brief introduction to auto-scaling, let's see what we can do with it.